Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to explore step by step how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. There are multiple ways to do this, either manually or by using store applications. I will show you the best way to add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. You can manually add an order tracking page into different ways. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on Orders. Then Draft. Here you can start adding the order tracking page manually. Alternatively, navigate your cursor to Online Store. And click on Page. By selecting Add Page, you can start manually adding the order tracking page. Now, let me introduce you the best application for tracking an order for customers. Go back to the home page and click on Apps, then All Recommended Apps, followed by Shopify App Store. Search by typing order tracking. And you will find numerous applications. Choose Sparkle Panel Order Tracking. Specifically built for Shopify. Let's start installing this app in our store. Once the application is installed, you will see a quick setup guide. Begin by adding the tracking page. Click on Main menu and then Add Menu Items. Type the name of the order tracking and return to the previous page to copy the tracking page URL and paste it. Click on Apply Changes and save the menu. Return to the applications and click on I have done this. Next, let's focus on shipping notification. Fill in the required information from the customer side and from your side. and verify your email from your site. Once you have completed this, let's check out our order tracking page. As you can see, our order tracking page has been successfully added to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.